Hi guys, so this is the new team, the guys girls. So magpaila-ila nami guys. So dito namin makita tanan.
May pagikato ni mo. Murtag mga tala na vlog.
So my name is Tiffany Blackcardo and this is the new team, the guys girls.
Hi guys, my name is Miss Liviana and I'm from the Guys Girls.
Hello everyone, my name is Jolana M. Basilo from the Guys Girls. Hello guys, my name is Liazel M. Basilo for the Guys Girls.
Hello guys, my name is Zaid Alexa and Basilo from the Guys Girls.
Girls.
So guys, this is the new team, the guys girls. This is Alexa Zain Basalo. My name is Tiffany Blackcardo and Diana Basalo. And Eunice Gabiana and Ray Rizel Basalo.
Actually guys, you can call me Eunice Gabia. Eunice, you can call him Rizel, you can call him Juliana,
You can call him Blair. You can call him Alexa or Zayn.
Or
So
So
guys,
guys, mag-follow kayo sa aming
please
TikTok
support
account.
Zayn Alexa on TikTok. So my name and my TikTok is Blair.
My TikTok is Eunice Gabiana.
Wala sila TikTok. Yeah guys, kay
Real.
John Farrell. So guys, let's go. So, aham tayo mga to sa
Magti-TikTok kami mamaya guys. Follow nyo kami.
Yes.
So guys, this is the new team, the guys girls. So guys, please support namin lahat guys. Bago lang kami, baka mambash kayo ha.
Oh,
Wag nyo
basta
kami
binabash ka.
i-bash.
Oh,
Basta i-bash.
tsaka meron kaming boys kasama pero wala pa sila. Umalis pa. Hindi boys to sila.
So may ano kasi, the guys girls and the guys boys. Wala pa ang boys, so mabablog pa yung boys guys.
Mamaya guys, magti-TikTok kami kasama yung host.
Ano kaya yung TikTok? Guys, please,
Diba? Mash up kami guys.
please
Hey.
follow!
Hey!
Hey! Alright,
Gusto
uy.
yo.
So guys, malapit na yung birthday ko guys.
Tapos guys,
Magjo-Jollibee lang ako
oh,
guys.
tapos nilibre na kami.
Sabi ni mama. So guys, may aabot. So guys, magbibideo kami ng unboxing.
Nang fake na.
Fake nails! So bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.